Hey guys, Fonzie from Dip Your Car, and I am super excited about this video. Why? Because it's our very first dip job in our new shop, in our new DYC headquarters. As you can see, completely different environment. Now, if you haven't seen the walkthrough and the tour of our new DYC headquarters, there's a link in the description box below. I encourage you to check it out. We just take a walk together and check the whole thing out. But back to the car, we've got our DYC Mustang right here. It's got a gunmetal grade base down on it, and we are putting a new combination of two Performance Series colors down on this car. Which two colors? Let's walk out there right now, pick the gallons, and get to mixing. Enjoy the video. We're walking over to the Performance Series gallons right now, and we're gonna pick two colors. Now, Gabe and I have kind of already talked about what we wanna do on the Mustang. Because it's the first dip in the new shop, we wanna go bright, we wanna go obnoxious, we want something memorable. So what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna mix sulfur yellow and extra lime green. Sulfur yellow and extra lime green. I think it's gonna make a super bright, beautiful lemon lime green for the Mustang. So gotta grab a sulfur yellow, and where's extra lime? Boom, extra lime. Ugh. Okay. All right, we got the gallons, back to the booth. Time to mix these two puppies up and see what we get. All right, guys, we have completed the car and it looks absolutely beautiful. That lemon lime is so crisp and so bright. We're gonna go outside in just a second so you guys can check it out. Now, if you wanna do your car this color, a quick note, you're not gonna get the fastest coverage. Anytime you use super bright colors like this, yellow, bright orange, bright green, you're not gonna get the fastest coverage. So just be patient, go coat by coat until you get that solid, even coverage all the way through. If you wanna do your car in lemon lime just like this, we've got a car kit already built for you. Click right up here, it'll bring you to the lemon lime car kit, and it includes everything you need to get the job done. The gallons, the accessories, even the sprayer if you need one. If you need any help at all though, you know what to do. Contact us. You can email us at CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. You can call in and speak to us during business hours, or you can even get faster response by chatting with us directly on the website. It's Fonzie. Let's go outside and check out this car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one.